Hi everybody and welcome to Knack 3D Designs. In today's episode we're going to assemble our side braces for our white knight print. So let's get started. Alright, in this segment we're going to go ahead and assemble our side braces. We're going to need our two 315mm 2020 piece of extrusion, our two side brace lower brackets, and our two side brace top brackets left and right. And you will need 24 T-nuts and 24 metric 5x8mm screws. I'm using the pan head style for these. Pretty straightforward and simple. Just slides in like that. One of these slides on top. Basically just like this. We just got to put our T-nuts in on the ends of these and screw it together. With these pieces, pretty easy. You can just slide them in from the end. On three sides. Now if you notice, they're very close to working right. If you put them to where the threads are on the outers and all the extras in the middle, that's very close to where it's going to line up. Now do the same thing on the other end. Now we just need to set them up where they line up. Alright, and that completes assembly of our side braces. Eventually, 2040 extrusion will slide right through it like this and line up into the brackets. Alright, so that wraps up today's episode. Now remember, if you like what I'm doing here, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell for updates. If you'd like to help support the channel, there is the Printed Solid affiliate link, an Amazon wish list, and a PayPal me link all in the description below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.